Got a call?
I did. I've been getting a lot of calls around estate planning, and I want to share with folks. I've got a lot of folks in the collaboration, my legal collaboration of attorneys who have embraced technology and have said, yeah, you know what, let's bring it in and see what needs to be done, a review and approve, right? So we talk about attorney Chad every once in a while here, Chad GBT. So, and we've talked about, people calling, and it's not a typical introduction to an attorney, right? So they call about certain situations, and I've been giving them prompts to go back onto their LLM of choice, right? ChatGPT is the most popular, XAI, Perplexity, all of the different various ones, to go in and ask it and get a plan and get it started. And I've been talking with a lot of people with the Josie Project, and talking with a lot of attorneys who are saying, yeah, I would absolutely make the consumer more comfortable, have them bring in what they've created, and we'll agree on an amount to make it right. Right? We'll get it executed correctly. We'll make sure all of the other provisions are in there, but it's not going to be a billable hour thing. It's not going to be this unknown, like, I don't know if I want to call because I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know who to call. And that leads me to a lot of the research that we've been doing with Josie. Is 92% of people who would want legal services or use legal services don't have access to it. 92%, which is amazing. So there's shifts that are happening. Josie's a huge participant in what's going on, implementing technology into legal services. And so we've got a lot of folks at the Legal Collab who are willing to say, yeah, bring in your plan. I'll review it. We'll agree. We'll have a firm handshake on what it'll cost, and then we'll see you in a week, and we'll sign it up and make sure it's legal, because that is really important, because Attorney Chad is not a licensed attorney in any state, right? He's not finishing the job. So it'll get you there, and it's an abundant thing for the attorneys. The attorneys see it as, I get to do less and do more of them, right? So there's going to be a lot of people coming in and saying, here, and the work amount, because Chad will get it 80% there, right? So then it's the 20% verifying that it's all what they want, and sign and stamp and approve. And then everybody who can't access, right, because maybe it's a fee of $5,500, but here it's, 90% off because it's almost done, and I'm willing to review it, make sure it's compliant with our local state laws, and check that box.